Hey guys, it's the JJ Bros here. He is and I'm Big JJ, and we just want to thank you for getting us to 100 something subs. Views. But yeah, today we are going to be doing. Honestly, what the heck are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay, today we are going to be doing a toy review
About scooters. So look at our scooters.
This one is let's get started. Okay, so we are just going to show you our scooters, okay? So this is my scooter. Mine is a BMX, which is trick scooter. It's more advanced than his scooter. So, and then yours is a Razor scooter,
and it does cool tricks.
Yeah,
like
but
this.
Mine's more advanced.
Yeah, but
I
do cool tricks like that. I do cool tricks like that.
And then we are gonna have like a track, just like riding around on our scooters inside. So we're gonna show you the track right now. So let's get started. Here's the track. Over here. What? Into here. Turn around. And then keep it going.
You do it again.
So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna put you guys right there. Sorry if it's too light for you guys. But
because it's sunny out there.
Yeah. So let's go. Don't forget to go. I'm gonna crash you.
No!
Oh my god, I just did a freaking. Ready, jump! Oh! Really? Oh. Sorry if you guys can't see us over here. Oh, burn. Oh, free. That was sick.
You landed that. How could you land a chill?
I don't know.
I always land chills.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay, guys, that was it for this video. Please subscribe, drop a like down below. Comment for a shout out. And yeah, bye bye.